Wapi Musa?
Hapo ndio story. Ninasema watoe wachoke. Hizi hata tunaenda tu.
Junge.
Na utoreka ndio inaenda ingine.
Ndio kuboira. Rega.
Bebe linachoma.
Tungi zote zinabebangwa. Yaanze huko.
Bwana mkuu mtusaidie wapi? Kwani ataachiliwa?
Ni ya nani?
Yanatolewa kwa
Wewe kwa ofisi uliniambia hii kazi umewacha na utarudia. Hawa ni watu umelewesha hivi?
hawa hata mimi
Mpaka umewekea viti ya kukunywia. Hii sumu hii.
Hii kitu wewe wacha naye mzee. Mzee, ongea na wewe.
Musa City. Itika. Ni wewe.
Musa Shiti.
Wewe wacha na hii kazi.
Uko na miaka mingapi?
Na miaka 84.
Wewe ni mzaliwa wa wapi?
Mimi ni mzaliwa ya Kakamega.
Kakamega. Hapa ulikuja lini?
Hapa. Mwaka wa 70.
Mwaka wa 70. Hii ni plot yako? Na ndio unafanyia hii kazi? Hiyo huwezi jibu sasa. Can you imagine that? Musa, wewe unakunywa gani?
Sasa mimi nimetolea huko kwa barabara. Hapa ni wapi?
Na bado
Wewe huwezi kunywa vile hivi.
utakufa.
Sasa napiga bidhaa.
Oi.
Hebu.
Hata itoi.
Hiyo unaumwa na tumbo sana.
Wataenda kama
Na hii bwana kamanda KRI.
hii njaribiwa. Hii hakuna hata mwaka KRI. Hawalipi ushuru. I would like to confirm that today we have been able to confiscate and also recover various types of illicit drinks. They include jumbo ice, Also changa, as you can see here, methanol, and other counterfeits in drinks. First of all, I want to thank this team for a job well done, and I want to encourage them to keep it up, and we ensure that we can get rid of these counterfeits from this area completely. Also, we are able to recover quite a number of drugs. That is 300 rolls of bangi, worth 150,000, 400 stems, worth 675,000, another 20 kilograms of bangi, worth 900,000, another 300 grams, worth 22,500 shillings. In total, 1,645,900 Kenya shillings. This is inclusive of the operation which has been going on since last week. Mine is to tell members of public to frontier information to us. We are very ready to act, and I've said we have no suckling cows, and we are not going to spare anybody who is selling drugs, counterfeits, beer, or any type of illicit drinks to members of public. You have seen very well. This is somebody whom we have arrested over 20 times. He has been taken to court in Goes. He is just fined 20,000 shillings, and he comes, then he continues with this kind of business. These drinks have not even been examined. They have not, the ones they are selling, they have not even paid any tax. So you can see the government is losing money, and the members of public are also losing their health through these contaminated, because you don't know what is a mixture. We have methanol, we have other types of substances which they are mixing, and you don't know, you don't understand where they are getting them from. So mine is to say that we are not going to relent until we make sure that this place is clean, and we do a thorough clean up on these illicit drinks. Let them follow and dispose of these of their materials, because now you can see this is changa packed in a Coca-Cola bottles, Fanta bottles. It's good they have a better way of collecting, collecting their containers after they have sold to the members of public. They are moving from Makwa River, ending to what they are doing now is oaking, but they are not preparing that place, because we have been there, we have poured, we have even burned those instruments, we have destroyed the tanks and the plastic containers which they have been using. And the operation is still continuing. Somebody like him who has been brewing this beer for that long time, then when he's fined 20,000, you just pay and come out and continue the business. As we are working for one government, let us assist one another. We are working as a Mutianje's team, and when we have all these efforts made, we need to ensure that these people get deterrent sentence.
Njohi twanyita lita irorete ngiri 6 ugu kwa muthuri uyu umwe, no kwina ingĩ nyingĩ tunyitĩte kuma mũthenya ũrĩa twanjirie, ũyũ nĩ mũthenya wa 4, na nĩ nyingĩ. County Commander nĩ oiga ciũrĩte kũrĩa wabici, andũ nĩ matwarĩtwo magoti-inĩ, amwe nĩ mohetwo, amwe nĩ marekereirio na tũbaini tũnini, na nĩho tũrahoya igoti rĩtũteithĩrĩrie. Aruna aitũ arĩa tũraruta mawĩra maya ũguo, twatwara magoti-inĩ tũkamahoya matũteithĩrĩrie kũmahe faini ambaye ingĩmahe sheria interpretagwo nĩ judiciary. Ithuĩ twĩ executive nĩ kũnyita na gũtwara, judiciary ka interpret. So hau noho tũrahoya interpretation ĩyo rĩ ĩgagĩka interpretwo ũndũ ũgũtũteithia tũtige gũkua ngoro.